Here's a Q&A for a member in our trading group. Most of them are beginners to learn. So here are some questions they ask, and may help you too if you are just starting out. Mary asked, "What do you download to purchase this stock?" There are many stock trading brokers and apps to use to purchase a stock, but always go with the top ones. Also, it depends on what country you are in. I will do another video on best brokers to use per country in my upcoming videos. But if you'll like to know sooner, leave a comment and tell me your country and I'll find out the best ones for you. Mary asked, "Is this called stock trading?" Yes, it is, also known as investing. Many investors use the term trading as buying and selling stocks to make a profit daily, weekly, or monthly. Long-term investors like to use the words stock investment more than trading. Mary asked, "Is this just for holding and then selling in the long run?" Not necessarily in the long run. Trading can be even done in one day. If you find a stock price at its low and then sell it higher on the same day, this would be called day trading. Mary asked, "How much do you roughly put in and where to purchase these stocks?" It depends how much funds you have to trade with. Let's say Apple stock is at 200 and you have 200. Apple shoots up 10% in one day, so you will make $20 from your $200 invested. But if it was $2,000 you used to trade, then your profit would be $200. Most beginner traders don't have much funds to start with, but it's always good to start small to get the hang of it and getting familiar with the trading app. Mary asked, "Do you trade stocks more than crypto? Which is better to start learning?" I think both. Let's say you have $200 to start with. Practice 100 on crypto and 100 on stocks. Reason I say this is because from crypto and stock, I have both made success on. Mary asked, "What coin do you recommend for crypto to buy more of before the bull run?" I recommend finding coins in the top 100 list. They have a decent invested market cap for a reason. Go for projects that have a use case like XRP, QNT, SOL, HBAR, etc. I would stay away from 99% of meme coins. Anyways, not financial advice. Always do your own research. That's all the Q&A for today. Subscribe for more and thanks for watching. Take care.